Hello students, hope that you are fine. Welcome to my geography video tutorial of 10th standard. Today I shall discuss about 10th standard geography, that is methods of safe disposal. This is the part of waste management. Waste management is huge part, so I have divided into some parts. So one part is that methods of safe disposal. That is 3R system is the easiest way to managing waste. We have already known that. That is reduction, reuse and recycle. Reduction, we can reduce our use of resource. Reuse, we can reuse, that means reduction means we can reduce our use of resources, and reuse means we can reuse those materials for packing the same products, just like glass, metal, then containers. Reduces our dependence on plastics, and it is also reusable. Which one? That one we can reuse. And recycle means we can recover materials. We can recycle these items to make new materials, such as cardboard from used paper, like that. So now we will discuss about the methods of disposal of waste. First method, here we will discuss about the three methods: segregation, then dumping and composting. So segregation, other methods are also there. That is, we can drainage, means we can drain it in the drainage, by drainage system also we can disposal. But main three we will discuss today, that is segregation and dumping. Segregation in waste management, segregation is an important method, important step. The waste can be classified into biodegradable waste and that is non-biodegradable, and second one non-biodegradable waste and toxic waste, etc. One of the easiest way to segregate solid waste to put waste into three different colored dustbin. If we will keep it in three different colored dustbin, then we will detect it, then easily we can dispose whatever according to that nature we can dispose it. Such as green colored dustbin, all recyclable materials are thrown in the dustbin. Example, that the domestic waste, which one? It consists of peels of remaining fruits, vegetables, or unused or leftover food articles, paper, leaflets, cardboard, etc. These are biodegradable, so we can keep it into the green color dustbin. Then blue color dustbin we can use for the non-biodegradable waste that are collected in these dustbins, that is plastic, glass, polythene, metal, tin box, etc. These kinds of waste can collect from houses, schools, offices, shopping, malls, etc., from everywhere. And if we are non-biodegradable, we can throw it into that blue colored dustbin. Then after that, red colored dustbin. Red colored dustbin we can use for now being suggested for the infectious diseases, medical waste, then pathological waste, surgery waste. If is there, then we can keep it into the red colored dustbins. So these type of dustbins are to be placed in hospitals, generally in nursing homes, and then clinics, these places where disposing this kind of waste, specially attention has to be taken, so that they do not contaminate, or infections can carry from one place to another. If the waste is put in a proper dustbin, then its disposal becomes very easy. And each household should be segregate domestic waste into different dustbins. People of urban areas should take collective efforts for safe disposal of domestic waste. Then only we can clean our environment and it will be helpful for us, such as this is that in between this segregation means that segregation method we can means differentiate the dustbin is called that the segregation method. Secondly, we are coming dumping method. Dumping is the method of disposal in open area, open land, or at the landfill sites far away from the city. Dumping and open lowland is not eco-friendly, we know that, but it is very cheaper method. This area can be breeding ground for mosquitoes, for flies, insects, and insects which carries the harmful diseases. But not only that we rainwater carry harmful substances also to the nearby streams, then ponds. It can be pollute the groundwater also. But among different methods, the disposal of waste, landfill is the most commonly used method because it is cost effective, means it is very cheaper. A method of waste disposal on land without destroying the environment or creating nuisances or health hazards to the we can say that to the resident, but using principles of technology and to keep the volume of refuse to the minimum. It is called landfilling. So, landfilling to prevent insects and rodents from entering into the landfills. The dumping area is covered with the layers of the earth. The waste gets decomposed by physical, chemical and biological reactions, producing different gases just like carbon dioxide, and then methane, then ammonia and hydrogen sulfide, etc. So some precautions must be taken while choosing the sites for landfill. Means dumping, whenever we will dump, then we have to take some precautions. What are those precautions? To minimize the cost of transportation, landfill should be located certainly to the waste generation sites, wherever it is generated, very close to that site. Then landfill area should be sufficiently deep to the surrounding areas, as we can walk for longer period and hold huge quantities of waste. That then in this way we have to choose the sites. After that, where rainfall or strong wind is minimum, that area should be suitable for the landfill. So here I have discussed only two methods, that is segregation and dumping. Next method I will discuss in my another video. Hope that it will be helpful for you. Thank you everyone.